Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ignore all the spots on my face. I am having an eczema slash hay fever slash all skin breakout at the moment, so just ignore that. But today we're doing eyebrows. So I start off with my little spoolie and then I just comb through my eyebrows and set my hair where I want it to be. Then I use my Revolution brow pomade in the color dark brown to fill in my brows. So the way I like to fill in my brows, I start in the center of my eyebrows actually, and I draw above my hairline, eyebrow line. Yeah, that's the one. Because if you guys can tell, I do not wax or thread my eyebrows because I like to change the shape of my eyebrows every day depending on how I feel. So today, this is the eyebrow I was feeling, so this is the one I'm showing you guys. So yeah, then I just start to fill in my eyebrows how I like it. Little is more, guys. You really do not have to be heavy with it. The little you use, the more precise and control you have over your eyebrows. You do not want a scouse brow. If you guys don't know what a scouse brow is, Google a scouse brow. Sorry to all my scouse people. Then I take as little product as possible and I put that at the start of my eyebrow so I can get that faded look that everybody's going for. Make it Instagram worthy, girls. Make it Insta worthy. Once I've outlined the shape, then I start to fill it in a bit more, and then I use feather strokes at the front so it kind of mimics hair a bit and then make it look a bit more faded. Then I go back in with my spoolie to brush out the hair to make it look more natural, and then I kind of brush out the harsh lines. It doesn't matter if you make it messy, this is where concealer comes in. Concealer, like I said, is your best friend, girls. I mean, I probably should have concealed those bags under my eyes, but it doesn't matter. Then I go in with my Smashbox concealer that you guys have seen me use plenty of times. It's my go-to. It's my favorite. It's running out. I need a new one. So yeah, then I just highlight underneath my eyebrows and clean it up a bit. So then I use the concealer to hide all those little hairs that you can see that I don't pluck. So when I've got loads of product left over, I just bring it down onto my eyelid, because normally when I'm doing my eyebrows, obviously I do my eyes as well. So I just use it as my base before I put eyeshadow. Then I go over the top and I just clean it up so it looks fierce. Do not forget to make that point sharp. The end of your eyebrow should cut a bitch. Let it cut it. Cut it. Hey. So as you can tell, at the top of my eyebrows, I go as close to my eyebrow and the concealer as possible. Then I flick out the rest of the product so it's not wasted and it doesn't look clumpy and creasy. Then I take a clean eyeshadow brush and then I just basically buff out the rest of the concealer so it looks seamless. So yeah guys, that's the end of the tutorial. Let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know what you think of the eyebrows so you guys can see a before and after how it looks. Yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you guys on how to do your brows or how I do my brows. If you want more of these makeup tutorial videos, let me know and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!